Welcome to our channel, viewers. Today we'll discuss about operation starts by Bharat Coking Coal Limited. Bharat Coking Coal Limited starts 550 MTPA Madhuband washery operations, a beacon of Atmanirbhar Bharat in the steel sector. On November 29, 2023, Bharat Coking Coal Limited (BCCL), a subsidiary of Coal India Limited (CIL), took a significant step towards achieving the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat by commencing commercial operations at its state-of-the-art 5.0 MTPA Madhuband washery. This marks a pivotal milestone in the company's journey towards self-reliance in coking coal production and a testament to its commitment to strengthening India's steel sector, a catalyst for steel sector growth. The Madhuband washery, strategically located in Jharkhand, is set to play a pivotal role in enhancing the availability of high-quality washed coking coal, a crucial raw material for the steel industry. With an annual production capacity of 5.0 million tons per annum (MTPA), the washery will significantly augment BCCL's ability to meet the growing demand for coking coal from domestic steel producers. Reducing reliance on imports. India currently relies heavily on imports to meet its coking coal requirements, draining valuable foreign exchange reserves. The Madhuband washery's commissioning will substantially reduce this dependency, leading to significant savings in foreign exchange expenditure. This aligns perfectly with the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which emphasizes self-reliance in critical sectors like steel. Technological advancements at the forefront. The Madhuband washery stands out as a shining example of India's technological prowess. Equipped with cutting-edge machinery and advanced processes, the facility is designed to maximize efficiency and minimize environmental impact. The washery employs a combination of dense medium cyclone, DMC, and froth flotation technologies to effectively remove impurities from raw coal, resulting in high-quality washed coking coal. Environmental stewardship. BCCL is committed to sustainable mining practices and environmental protection. The Madhuband washery incorporates stringent measures to minimize environmental impact, including a robust water management system, dust control mechanisms, and a comprehensive greenbelt development plan, a boon for local employment and development. The Madhuband washery is expected to generate direct and indirect employment opportunities for the local community, contributing to the socio-economic development of the region. The washery's operations will also boost local businesses and infrastructure, further stimulating economic growth. A symbol of India's manufacturing prowess. The commissioning of the Madhuband washery is a testament to India's growing manufacturing capabilities. The facility showcases the country's ability to design, construct, and operate complex industrial projects, positioning India as a global leader in the coal sector. Conclusion. The Madhuband washery marks a significant step forward in India's journey towards self-reliance in coking coal production. This state-of-the-art facility will not only enhance the availability of high-quality coking coal, but also contribute to the growth of the steel sector, boost local employment, and strengthen India's position as a global manufacturing hub. The washery stands as a beacon of Atmanirbhar Bharat, illuminating the path towards a prosperous and self-reliant India. Thanks for watching.